Welcome to yet another episode of the Uncapped Indians. And it's been a great match, to be very honest. A great match. The reason being that KKR spinners finally have shown that why KKR was constantly pursuing कि हमें spinners के लिए pitch चाहिए Eden Gardens में, because spinners have been their biggest strength. In fact, in the last IPL also, and in this match, bringing on Sunil Narayan in that over. He picked up 2 wickets and Varun Chakravarti picking up an important wicket. So I think KKR has a very well-rounded performance. दिल्ली के लिए एक इशू है. दिल्ली के लिए और एक बार 200 रन चेस करते हुए एक कोलैप्स सामने देखने को मिला है, which has been a problem for Delhi Capitals. लास्ट एमआई के सामने भी सेम चीज हुई थी जहां पे वो 200 टारगेट चेज नहीं कर पाए when they were 130 for 3 or something. Today also they were very much in the game. It's just that there were a lot of soft dismissals that took place. Delhi last time lost against RCB while they were defending. Today in Delhi they lost against KKR while they were chasing a target. KKR has a little bit of thinking to do. अगर आपने अजिंक्य रहाणे की बात सुनी हो at the post match presentation, तो खुद ये कहते हैं कि we thought that we were a little under par. और ये अंडर पारनेस आ कहाँ से रही है केकेआर की इस बार? नॉर्मली अंडर पारनेस आ रही है केकेआर की क्योंकि उनका टॉप ऑर्डर नहीं कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाता है. पावर प्ले में 1-2 विकेट गिर जाती है, उसके बाद एक स्टेबलाइज करने की कोशिश करते हैं, थोड़ा सा स्टेबलाइज किया, वहां से मारने की कोशिश की, क्लस्टर में विकेट घुमाई और एंड में फिर नहीं. रिंकू सिंह, आंद्रे रसल एक्सेट्रा, they're not able to really take the game forward because they're already under tremendous pressure. Today they had an excellent power play with the fact that Sunil Narayan finally showing glimpses of why and how he can play. The other thing was that what I was observing during the match is Rahane versus spin. Ab Rahane has been dismissed about 7 times. ठीक है, with balls. रहाणे वर्सेस स्पिन से ज्यादा पहले बताता हूँ, रहाणे अगेंस्ट द स्लोअर वन. अब फास्ट बॉलर्स के सामने रहाणे हैज बीन डिसमिस्ड 7 टाइम्स विद बॉल्स एट एवरेज लेस देन 120 किलोमीटर एन आवर, और उसकी एवरेज उन बॉल्स के सामने सिर्फ 11 रन की है. Rahane has been out to spin a lot of times. We've spoken about this before also, and that is why I think Rahane today also got out against spin. That's one sign of worry. Moving forward with the game, I think Akshay Patel did a tremendously good job, to be very honest, by backing Viparaj Nigam, giving the leg spinner an opportunity again. पहले 2 मैचेस में आपने देखा हो 14-15 रन पड़ गए उनको, उसके बाद भी उन्होंने सिर्फ उनको एक ही ओवर दी थी, और इस बार अब वो फाइनली उनको मौका मिला अपनी स्किल सेट दिखाने का. हालांकि विकेट्स इतनी 1-2 ही मिली है, बट विपराज निगम आई थिंक बोल्ड रियली वेल. क्रूशियल ओवर्स देखा जाए तो 15th ओवर जो विपराज निगम ने डाली बहुत बढ़िया थी. चमीरा की कमबैक ओवर थी वो 16, जहाँ पे पहले रन में 25 रन पड़ चुके होते उनको. उसके बाद अगर वो आए, that sort of shows the belief that they had in Chamira, and Chamira did really well. The only thing that I would sort of suggest is that KL Rahul. Okay, KL Rahul, most of the times, if he's batting at number 4, he enters the power play. That means there are 2 wickets that Delhi lose really quick in the power play, be it in the form of Karun Nair, be it in the form of Jake Fraser-Maguire, or be it in the time of Abhishek Purell. So now, when KL Rahul comes in the power play, he normally takes about 18-20 deliveries to get set. He picks up a leg spinner and he starts hitting them around. Today, he was trying to do the same thing, rotating the strike with far closely, but could not survive till about 18 to 20 balls, and that is why I think Delhi lost a lot of momentum there. Akshar Patel came into bat, but obviously he had a hand injury, and hence he could not bat the way he wanted to. At some point in time, I think Varun Chakravarti's bowling was a little off, because he was constantly bowling deliveries around 95, and फिर 116, 120, 110, 116 किलोमीटर की स्पीड पे वरुण चक्रवर्ती बॉल डाल रहे थे. That's not his normal speed. His normal speed is somewhere close to 90 plus, and hence I felt that Varun Chakravarti could have been more effective if and only if he had bowled a little bit more slower. But then again, things changed around when Sunil Narayan was brought in. Uh, Overall, what I feel is that Delhi will now be under a little bit of pressure because they are not in the top 4, and they are very close to now, like about 4 games left for anyone to do it. So they'll be a little dependent on the fact that they need to win at least 3 out of these 4 games. Um, Mumbai is at second spot. Mumbai is in the form that they would like to be, और इसलिए मुंबई को अब हराना थोड़ा सा difficult हो सकता है. They have won 5 consecutive matches, so that's going to be a big thing going forward. And if Delhi really want to qualify, then they have to outbeat probably Punjab and LSG both, because these two, and in fact KKR also, these 2-3 teams are in contention also. But mostly I feel the competition is going to be with Punjab a lot. So next 2 matches, both for KKR and Delhi, are going to be very interesting, because then it shows who can be that 3-4 position holder during this IPL. And obviously, if you're 3-4, then you would to play the playoffs.